Sana all. Yes, Kylie Lilo TV shout out watching live. Support with love. Wow, sana all. Yes, Rose Pinay vlog, thank you so much. Sana all. Yes, Kylie Lu TV, thank you so much watching live. Support with love for WH. Yes, shout out din kay JC Europe Vlog. Shout out. Yes, of course, sa lahat ng narito. Shout out. Shout out kay Waiko. Oh, yes, and then yes, Miss Cage Vlog. Shout out. Oh, pasensya muna kayo guys, hindi ko ma-isa-isa kayo po. Yan. Ito walang account to, support lang to. Ito yes, meron to. Ito yata si Gulp. Ito si Gulp. Oh, yan si Gulp. Oh. Ito si Manuel, Manuel yan. Okay, thank you so much. Ito lang po watching and support with love. Maraming salamat po Kylie Lu TV. Yes, wow. Sana all may pakiusap. Wow, galing naman. Ano daw? Galing din ni Fishing Ray, Fishing Ray kumanta, May piliin pa. Police. Putukan dito, putukan. Okay, once again, thank you so much kay Lilo TV. Thank you so much. Yes, of course, shout out din kay JC Europe Vlog.
Nandito na ako, makabalik lang.
Nandiyan na raw siya pagsuroy. Ayun si Fishing Ray Vlog. Magaling kumanta to, Delikado to, huwag kayong basta-basta nitong tiwala kasi pag kayo mapili, nako, putukan doon. Ano daw?
I've been out for a week and you're listening right now.
O sino salita? Si Miss Cage Vlog. What's happening?
Gawa daw ng gamot because of the medicine.
Ano daw?
Because of the medicine? Oh my God, you make crazy right now.
Pagsuroy.
Gawa daw ng medicine.
Ano daw?
What kind of medicine you take that make you crazy?
Ano daw? Hindi ko maintindihan yun. No kind.
Anong klaseng pampakalma yan?
Pakalma pala, Calm down, calm down.
Sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Di ba dapat relax lang Hi, Kuya Edgar. Mayong buntag.
Yes, Kuya Edgar. Shout out daw. May buntag. Guys, hindi pa to na nakano yung mga ibang angel ko, Marami pa kong angel. Ito pa, hindi pa hindihan, Meron pa doon sa likod. Dito lang sa guys, sa dining room. Wala pa to sa studio. Yung smart TV doon, naka-play doon sa kwarto ko. Ayun, with harang yan, yan, with harang. Okay guys, thank you so much. Yes, Kylie Lu TV, thank you so much. With harang yan, yan, Daming harang ngayon sa mga ano mo, Pero okay lang. No problem. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. And I love you all. Bye-bye. Tapos si Golf is your word.